All right, so do you want to do this on Cloud9 or on our own screens or anything?
Well, I'm using Cloud9. So let me screen share, right?
Yep.
So can you see my screen sharing?
Yeah, something's popping up.
Okay. By the way, right now the video isn't it recorded or not? Do you know?
I press start broadcast.
Oh, so nice. It's recorded. So the only part that I haven't completed yet is the part two, the the binary section. So far, I have successfully made the part of valid binary numbers, but when I have invalid binary numbers, I can do it. So I'll start showing what I did so far. So we have this argument, and the first step is make it from a string to cast it to a number. We know that it is a binary. I'm using the I'm using this method. Brian, are you there?
Yep. Yeah, I'm watching.
So my idea is firstly to convert the string to a integer, and we pass the base of the number. So this method converts the string to an integer in a decimal form. For example, this binary number is converted to 101. So my idea is to make the same. And then, since we have the number in decimal form, we can make the modulo.
Yep.
And to check if the initial number is divided completely by 4. This expression works well for valid numbers, but the corner case when we have an invalid number represented in string form, we have the reverse result. For example, this method 2i returns 0 for invalid numbers. So if we have an invalid number, 0 modulo 4 equals to 0, but we want an expression that results to false for invalid, according to the exercise description. So that was my idea, and this is where this idea fails. So let's test it once. No. Wait a moment. So, can you elaborate on this exercise? Do you have any smarter idea?
I used regex to pass this part. So before that line that you've got there, which I do have string to I modulus for, to actually work out whether it's binary or not. But to validate it first, I used a regex thing. So I just I can chat you line. Give me a second. Where is chat?
Chat is the first button on the left side.
Yeah. So that's one line that I used, which basically
Very
just
nice.
searches,
Okay.
yeah, regex if there's ones and
Yeah, I
zeros.
understand.
Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, I got it.
So that validates
So,
it first, and then the if it passes that, your existing line should work to return true or false if it's valid.
well, I don't know why, but the first now it fails in these invalid binary numbers. But it should be true. It should be right. I don't know why.
Give me a second. I'll just run my tests again.
Yeah, yeah.
Over.
Jackson valid binary numbers. Sorry. So it looks like that regex that I gave you doesn't work. I'm just looking at a different one that I found. I'm just trying to work through what it means. I found a regex string that I just posted into chat, and it works, but it's a bit complicated, and I'm not 100% sure. Y.
And what's different than the previous regex?
On the previous regex, there's just checking if it contains ones or zeros. Because I figured 0, 1 would be yeah, binary numbers. But this one here, I did a quick Google search for a regex string to validate numbers, and that's the one that people were using. So I know that like it starts out with you know, /a is the start of the string, and then the plus minus is not what I'm not sure about in the square brackets. If you look at the chat.
It's a bit complicated.
Yeah. I think you need to do the s dot match.
I think it's the same because according to the Ruby doc.
Oh yeah. You change the equal s.
Yeah.
So I think it's different there because what you're doing is matching the string, and then it's outputting true or false. So you're looking for ones where it says if there's no match, so when it equals nil, then it just returns out of the function.
Or nil.
Nil. Yep.
Yeah, it seems. Yes, that's true. So let's. Can you repeat what you use here?
Right. So with that regex thing, because I'm newish to regex, I found that on the internet just Googling like what's the best regex expression to match binary numbers. And so, yeah, with that one, I'm not 100% sure. Like, I understand portions of it, but like the /a at the start and the /z at the end just means start and end of string. The /d pluses with a question mark basically just mean one or more of any digit, and I believe the question mark means that it's optional.
Yeah.
And then like the plus or minus means in the brackets at the start should say just match either of these and they're optional. So if it has a plus at the front or a minus at the front, either one of them should also match. And then the grouping at the end, so the round brackets just groups a matching. So if anything matches those, it gets output. But again, it's not that clear to me. I just know that it works because I was experimenting with it.
Okay. At least it's a solution. Okay. Do you have any question on the other exercises? Somewhere that I can help?
No, not really. I could redo one or something because I already finished this earlier in the week. I've just been wanting to get the whole pair programming video done for the extra 10 points, you know?
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
So
So is yours already finished?
Yeah, that was my only left. The only part that I have left. The other, I have it here. The other exercises.
Okay.
So I am also done. Now I have to submit it.
Cool.
Nice. So now, do you know? Have you ever? Do you have any experience? We have to submit just a link on YouTube.
Yeah. Well, so after I stop this, give me a second. I'll link you to my YouTube channel thing. I think it. After I stop this, like 10 minutes later or whatever, it should show up as a video on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I'll just find that.
Where do you live?
Melbourne, Australia.
Oh,
So early morning here.
next day.
Yeah.
Nice. So, can you pass me a link to your channel, or will
Yep,
I have
hang
it
on, I
on?
think I have it. I was just looking it up then.
Ah, yeah, no, it's here. It's live. Yeah,
There we go. So the link's in the chat now.
yeah. I had to copy it because later this talk
Yeah,
is
so you
gone.
can see it live, but if you get the same video, you should be able to submit that as well.
I say it on your channel, maybe.
Yeah, just click the link,
Maybe.
see if you can, because that's the one that you'll need to submit. It just turns into a video once we finish up.
Yeah, here we are.
Okay, cool.
So nice.
Awesome.
Thank you very much for your help.
No worries. I'll
That's all.
talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
See you. Bye.
Bye bye.